Hello, today I will demonstrate how the TrainBot works, so keep watching. Okay, so this is all the things that we can adjust, and there is like 7 settings. Neutral settings doesn't count, so there is 7 settings. We have the power to the front, frequency, back power, and serve width. And then you adjust which level you want to use, and then you just press start and stop. Then this one, you can adjust the angle of the TrainBot. So as you can see here, you can adjust how much it should go flat or up or down. So that's how this one works. So it's quite easy to use. In the tube right now we have 40 shuttles, and I actually have some more tubes I can add on, but this is quite a lot. Okay, so let me show you level 2, which is fixed point, and I just press start, and then you can see me adjust on this one, and then the next shuttle will be adjusting to what I'm telling it to do, okay? So we press start here. And it will not fly over the net because the power is so slow. So now I adjust the backcourt power. So as you can see already, just because I'm adjusting it's already adjusting. So now I want a little bit more height, then more height, okay? So I want it to come faster, so I use the frequency. So as you can see, you can adjust it just as you want it to be. Okay, let's stop it. So it's quite easy to use, and you can just adjust it. Maybe you don't want it to feed in the middle. Most of the times when I'm using it, it will feed me from the sides, because that's where the shuttles are coming from most of the time. But as I said, you can adjust it just as you want it to be, and you can get the feeding you want it to feed. Let's say that you want to practice something at the net, then I would, maybe the net spin, then I would do this. I would take the TrainBot, move it to here, around here, and then I would turn the front power a little bit up, and then the back power all the way down. The frequency I'm also gonna take down, and then I press start, and then I will just adjust it as I stand here until it's there, and then I know, okay, so that was a bit too much, so I will turn it a little bit down. Yeah, maybe I move it a little bit. See, that's the feeding I want now. Coming like that, so I can practice the net spin. Going a little bit too slow, so now I will turn up the frequency, so it will be faster. Okay, let's take a look on the flat game, and I know, because I just used it, it has to point a lot down for so it's not going up, because we want it to come flat over the net. So I have to really, maybe it's not even enough what I'm doing right now, but let's see. And then it's still fixed point, because I just wanted to go at the same place, but just flat. So power is full, frequency is also full, and the other ones, front power and serve width is just 0. And then I have this one almost all the way down. So let's see how it is. Maybe it's going into the net, then I will just adjust it. So, as you can see, it also took some shuttles to adjust it, but then in the end, they were flying like how I wanted to fly over the net. So now I'll press start, and then I will go over on the other side and show you how it looks. So normally I would just use this one so I could go over on the other side and then press start, and then the machine would start, but I haven't put in the batteries yet, so it's not working. But I'll just press it and then run to the other side. So there are still coming a few shuttles into the net, so I will just adjust it a little bit. To the net. Again, I'll just adjust it. So only 1 or 2 into the net. What I would do if I personally should use it for flat game, I would maybe use the other, I would use this one to make it even higher. So it's feeding maybe a little bit more from this height and then a little bit down. So it's coming a little bit more often over the net and maybe also a little bit more down, because right now it's shooting a little bit up, but you can fix that with this one, or if you have something it can stand on. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the TrainBot. I will make a lot more demonstrations so you guys can see how it works. And yeah, I just hope that you find it interesting and maybe wants to buy one. So yeah, let me know if there is something I can help you with, either maybe some technical skills or if you have questions about the TrainBot. Thank you for watching.